In one hadith in Musnad of Imam Ahmad, it is narrated by Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, لا تقوم الساعة حتى تسهر الفتن ويكسر الكذب وتتقارب الأسواق. Which means the hour will not take place until the seditions are exposed and the lies are spread and the markets approach. Today we are witnessing that the sedition and lies are spread all over the world. The scope of violence, oppression and injustice is expanding day by day. The indecency, immorality and corruption have almost reached their peak in most parts of the world, and people are no longer able to see the ugliness in their immoral acts. Lies and deceptions at high levels are being presented by governments and media.
Prophet Muhammad ﷺ actually gave us a glimpse of what would be coming as we go toward the day of resurrection. Because we as Muslims, we need to remember that we are rapidly moving toward the day of judgment. This tradition constantly surprises me. It is reported in the Musnad of Imam Ahmad, authentic hadith. And it's shocking every year as we go through different changes to see how these words are coming to pass. But what is interesting, he put with this lying would be on the increase. And you would expect that in the time of trials, people would try to be honest. But it's the opposite. So there's all types of fake news and stories and theories and all types of information that is circling around us. And with the widespread use of the internet, now it has even become even more extreme than in the previous generations.
Although this is an amazing prophecy which we are witnessing coming true, but there's something even more amazing which is mentioned in this hadith, and that's the prediction of the approaching of the markets. Today we see how the world's markets are getting closer to each other, both in terms of physical proximity and in terms of advancement in technology. The invention of new devices and facilities such as computers, smartphones and internet, as well as the invention of high-speed vehicles like airplanes, ships and trains, allow us to have easy access to most of the world's markets. For instance, we can buy the goods that we need from far countries and distances from online markets and make the payment through online payment system. We can even order our favorite food online or via phone and have it delivered to our doorsteps. Another possible meaning of this hadith is that by establishing trade and economic relations between countries and creating branches of different products in different countries, it becomes possible for different brands of any item to gather in one place near to each other. And we can easily have access to the goods of our desired country in the city where we live.
This is always shocking to me because the original muhaddithin must have looked at the marketplace as being outside of Medina, outside of the city, and then coming in. But now we are dealing with marketplaces literally in our homes. And we see more and more people having food delivered, having clothing delivered, having all of their appliances delivered. Some doing business, they turn on their laptop in their bed and they go into the international marketplace. So Sadaqa Rasulullah, the marketplaces are coming closer and closer and closer as we reach toward the day of resurrection.
Furthermore, the excessive increase in markets and stores also caused them to be placed near to each other. And that's due to the population growth, increase in trade and wealth, and the excessive greed of people and the competition for investment. The Prophet ﷺ has stated this hadith while we all know that 14 centuries ago, trade and commerce was such that it took months to move a commodity from one country or city to another. And on that time no one could have thought that one day mankind would be able to buy or sell goods in a matter of seconds and to transfer them from one city to another in a couple of hours. So this fact itself is an evidence that these words can only be from someone who is chosen and being sent to mankind by the Creator. the Creator who knows the past, present, and the future of the entire existence. And this hadith is another indicator for us to be aware that we are living in the end times.